HMD Global previously released the entry-level repairability-focused Pulse series with 3 different models in Europe. Now the company has launched a more affordable phone called the HMD Aura in Australia. The Aura is available in 2 different colors, Glacier Green and Indigo Black. The Aura has a 6.56-inch display, and though it runs at only 60 Hz, it has a higher resolution of 900 by 1600 pixel. No fancy punch hole here, though. Instead it uses a notch for the 5MP selfie camera. The rear camera is pretty basic too, with a 13MP main module and a depth sensor. The HMD Aura is powered by the 28nm Unisoc SC9863A1, which features 8 Cortex-A55 cores, plus a PowerVR GE8322 GPU. It comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. The phone comes with Android 13 out of the box. The 4GB RAM should be enough for regular web browsing, video streaming, and similar tasks. For security, the phone offers a back-mounted fingerprint scanner below the flash module. HMD Aura equips a 5000 mAh battery and supports 10W charging through a USB-C port. This phone also offers a 3.5mm headphone jack. The HMD Aura is priced at $180 $118 in the country. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.